A government agency has recommended the approval of the immediate hiring of a maintenance provider for the aging MRT-3 system. But the Government Procurement Policy Board will still have to study what they call an emergency procurement before the Transportation Department can enter into a 3-year agreement with any company.
Mahalaga is to get this through muna. Mahirap na you start talking to people, well, di ba? Wala namang ano. So mahalaga makuha yung approval at tingin ko marami namang capable na lumahok.
Once it's a go, the Transportation Department may now proceed to enter into a negotiated bidding with interested companies. But if denied, then they will open the MRT's maintenance to bidding in September. Emergency procurements are allowed when immediate action is necessary to restore vital public services, infrastructure facilities, and other public utilities. MRT glitches have been happening more frequently than in previous years. This despite getting new maintenance contractors.
Parang wala namang nagbago kasi ang dami pa rin pasahero, tas ang sikip pa rin ng daan ng sikip pa rin sa loob.
Ganun pa rin siya, mahaba ang pila, matagal yung train. I think yung frequency ng train kasi masyadong matagal.
On Thursday morning, 2 glitches occurred. An air condition and a circuit problem forced passengers to get off the train. Even Vice President Jejomar Binay called the trains rolling coffins, but the MRT management disagrees.
I'd like to invite him to ride. I will be beside him. I'll also hold his hand.
Transportation Secretary June Abaya took a swipe at Binay for accusations made during his true State of the Nation address on why MRT services remain dismal. Abaya says the root cause is that the contract favors private owners. The Metro Rail Transit Corporation also failed to procure a maintenance provider and eventually passed the burden to the DOTC. Abaya says the groups invited to bid for the maintenance contract all had sufficient track record.
Kami magpapaliwanag ulit ngayon upang hindi mahawa ang publiko sa bulag-bulagang ginagawa ng ilang taong may madidilim na hangarin.
Meanwhile, the MRT management says rails that were recently procured remain unused and uninstalled. Because these have yet to undergo quality check, they also have to figure out who will install them. Patricia De Leon, CNN Philippines.